Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Riley King, live here outside the Riley King Network studios in Deerfield, New Hampshire, and we're gonna take a little walk outside in this snow. So right now is kinda a lull right now. Kinda quiet right now before round number 2 begins this evening. Round number 2 will start this evening and go into Tuesday morning and will end sometime late Tuesday morning / Tuesday afternoon. So, the current condition right now here in Deerfield, New Hampshire, I would have to say, feels like a sleet / icy mix coming down right now. So again, round 2 will be coming this evening into Tuesday morning. So another round of snow making its way into New Hampshire. But right now is a mix happening outside right now, and cold, I will say, very cold. So we're gonna walk down and check to see if the mail arrived and things like that. So yeah. Where my other gloves are with the fingerless gloves, but here's what the conditions look like right now. So again, icy mix is falling, and then round 2 will be coming, and windy as well. But we'll check what the roads look like and things like that. As you can see, looks like the roads look not too bad, if you could tell by the vehicle driving by and things. So, when we were just getting the mailbox has a glaze of ice on it and things. So, there's some ice forming on surfaces. So just take it easy. As you could see a little bit, the road still snow covered a little bit. And again, right now, a mixing is coming down. Icy sleet mix coming down. You can hear it. You can kind of hear it pelting on my coat. But yeah, and very windy. Not too windy, but very cold, I would say, and things like that. But beautiful winter wonderland, our first snowstorm of the season, and round 2 coming soon. So, get ready for round 2 for this evening. As you can see, round 2 will be coming this evening, so be prepared for round 2. So, I got the mail, so that is good news. Mail service is in operation in this storm. Sometimes they don't deliver in storms, or sometimes they're delayed, but we got the mail on time, so that is good news there. Well, you know what their motto is. They deliver in any type of weather and things like that. So, again, here's a look as we make our way back up the driveway. If you can kind of hear the sleet / mix on my jacket, you can kind of hear it. Don't forget, if you go on the roadway, do not forget to clean off your cars if you decide to travel and things like that. Don't forget to clean off your cars. Jessica Law in New Hampshire. So let me grab the ruler and let's find a good spot to do this. How about over by the green monster? Let's go by the green wall and do the measurement for Deerfield, New Hampshire. Or not, let's go over here in the backyard. Let's go over here in the backyard. So we're gonna measure and see how much snow we have so far in New Hampshire. Here we go. Let's pick right here. So, as you can see, it looks like we have about 5 inches. It looks like 5 inches of snow in Deerfield, New Hampshire, as you can see. So that is the latest on the snowstorm update right here on the Riley King Network, reporting live outside the Riley King Network studio. I'm Riley King, and get ready for round 2 coming this evening, and it will start sometime this evening and end around late Tuesday morning / Tuesday afternoon. So there could be some delays again and cancellations, so be sure to check that out as well. Have a great evening, everyone, and talk to you all later. Bye.